Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic vertical for the week of June 16th to June 22nd. And I have chosen these parrots by Creative Karma Design. So we've got a few quotes, the tropical leaves, and then the parrot. And then I have taken my own box template and made some of my own boxes in the same colors as the boxes that Di created. So let's jump in. I want to start with, kind of feel like maybe I want this bird in the corner. Doesn't quite go all the way down underneath them though, does it? We do this corner piece. Let's pop this corner piece in here. Yeah. And then I'm going to take some of this white off of here. Then, instead of doing that way, I'm going to do that way. So we need to pull him up because he's going to sit on top of these. I'm also going to pull these up and let just these little fringes lay over this. I like that very, very much. Okay, I think I want birds of a feather stick together right here with this little guy. And I want another bird up here. I'm going to put him here. Now he has a friend. Okay, I think I want to take this one. And I want, hello, Summer, right here. I haven't even looked to see if there's anything that I actually am supposed to be doing on this week. I don't really think there is. Obviously, I would teach on Wednesday. I have a lesson, I think. We're not sure. And I'll be teaching Sunday. So let's do teach something under that. And I'm going to take my box now, drop it there, and then I'm going to take this corner piece and put it here. And then I'm going to take this box. It's going to go here. Need a bird on this side, so don't let me forget that. And then I need a box for my lesson that we're hoping I have. Let's do blue. Okay. And I need a bird. I think I want this guy. I'll set him right on top of this box. Oh, I don't know. I kind of want another quote, but I don't know. Escape somewhere tropical, paradise found, tropical state of mind, and tropical paradise. I kind of want another little bird on a limb, like here. I want some more foliage down here. So I think I'm going to take this one. I'm just going to put this right across the bottom. Let it hang out right there. Come on. I need to quit decorating and put in some function. We have no function in here, so I need some boxes. And I think I'm going to do bullet points this week instead of checklists, since I have stickered this up so much. I think I want to do a yellow and a blue on Monday. Do I want the big blue and a little yellow? I don't want the big yellow. Yep, I want the yellow. So this yellow is actually going to be more for Tuesday. I guess it could be half and half. That'll be for Monday or Tuesday, whichever I need it for. This can be for Monday. In theory, we'll get it straight. I think I'm going to put it right up against here. I was going to leave a little space, but I don't think that looks right. Okay. There's Monday, Tuesday. And another box for Wednesday. How about a blue? Actually, let's do a yellow. Let's do a square yellow. No, I want to bring the yellow in over here. So, kind of want this one here. I feel like that makes this cluster complete. And then a blue here. What size blue, she asks. I think this size. think this is right here. I think that pulled up. It sure did. It pulled up the ink from my paper. Okay. And I'm going to put a little yellow here, even though I don't have the first clue what that little yellow is going to have in it. Oh, should I do that size? Let's. I'm going to lay this down straight, and I'm going to find out this red one's crooked. How much you want to bet? Yeah, of course. That's better. Okay. It's going to do some bullet points. However, I'll let that be that. I need something here. I'm going to cut this off. I could put lines in, but I don't feel like I need lines. I feel like we're done. So let's put it on the desk. I like it. Oh, I like it even better when I stand up. I am very happy with that. I really like that. I really enjoyed putting this spread together with you today. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me while I did it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button on your way out. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day and a great week, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.